Okay, so while I have you here, today I'm going to be bringing this guy back to life. So this is not actually one of my plans. This is kind of staged, just so you know. But anyways, I was at Home Depot today and I was picking up something, whatever, that doesn't matter. But anyways, I ran across this guy, because I always go see the plants, of course. And I ran across this guy who, you know, looks like he just needs some TLC. And I brought him up to the front and I asked what they were gonna do with him. And the lady was like, oh, we're gonna throw that out. So I said, would you like me to throw it out for you? Because I am really wanting to try to bring something back from the dead, because I love to revive things and help things. And you're gonna go on a time-lapse journey with me today on watching how simple just soaking the roots can bring this guy back to life. And honestly, I want to try my time-lapse. I've been playing around with that, so yeah, why not? But anywho, let me give you a nice close-up of this guy, just so you see, you know. So as you can see, you know, he's very dry. Probably hasn't gotten water in a while. And yeah, so we're gonna remedy that. We're gonna try to bring this guy back to life and save him from the dumpster. Yes, so see. Gonna fill up a tote with water. Okay, so what I have here is a container that I have filled with water. Most people will use, you know, filtered water because you don't want to use your sink water. Make sure your water is filtered, especially if you live in a city and you get city water. You want to make sure that you're not putting chemicals on your plant that you're trying to bring back to life. But I use my, well, it used to be my turtle tank water, R.I.P. Shelly, but now it's just my fish tank water because that is a great source of natural fertilizer. So I put my water to good use. Okay, so now, how to know how much water to put in your container. Usually a good rule of thumb is to make sure that when your planter goes into the water, it will be, the soil will be fully submerged. As you can see right here, that line, the soil's right here, perfect. Less than 24 hours later, and it's doing so much better. So now we'll just have to go through and pick out any damaged leaves so that the rest are getting the nutrients, and they are less than 24 hours.